Hello everyone. Welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary reading and summary series presenting by Diction Addiction. Today's Hindu editorial title is Bridging the Gap on Deficit in OBC, SC positions vacant at IIMS, Indian Institute of Management's. This was published on 17th March 2021, but seems to be very interesting. That's what I am discussing on today. So as usual, we'll go to the first section, that is a vocabulary, where article is dissected for important as well as new words. These new and important words, pronunciation, meaning and usage would be discussed in context with the today's article. The first one is severe, severely damaged. It means that very bad or seriously affected. That's a severe, means utterly shocked. Severe deficit means extremely low recruitment, low level of presence of something. That's a deficit, means absence, lack or lack. Deficit, that's what. Revealed means something is actually secret, but you are, because of your action or because of your pursuit, it will be known to everybody. That is what is called revealed. This data reveals the presence of absence of X and Y, right? So investigation revealed that person is suffering from the cancer. Revealing means which is not known to everyone, but because of you, it is known to everybody. So it was secret. It is now in the public domain. That's what is revealed. Drawing means attracting the attention. So somebody, when you make a sound, people will look at you. That's a drawing of attention. So make somebody to react to that drawing. Attention means listening or watching is called as a attention. Can I have your attention means can you listen to me? Means can you look at me? That's what attention. Pallid means not appropriately used, like hill or lack of, a dull or a pale. Pallid condition of reservations in allied institutions means reservation is there, but it is a pallid condition, not implemented according to the constitution, right? Pallid means unfulfilled. It's a pale, dull. Elite, those who are powerful, having a money or power, that is called as elite. Or good quality is also called as elite. Elite plants means they have a very good quality. Equity means no bias, equally, quality being fair and impartial. Equity. Average means two factors or three factors were considered, and based upon that you'll make an average. So what is the average number? Means attributed means to believe that something was caused. So today's winning or losing of someone attributed to the anti-incumbency of government. Means you are attributing something, means you are giving something is caused, attributed. Forward looking means having a progressive ideas or thinking about the future. Remedial means you are taking a course to improve the already bad one or wrong one. Remedial classes are conducted to the people who have not attended the classes regularly. Equip, to provide a person with the object that are necessary for. So I am equipped with all necessary things to perform this task. Means I've read, I'm equipped means you have an object object which will help you to do some task. That is what is equipped. I am equipped. Aspiring, to become, to have a strong desire to have or do something. I'm aspired to become a professor. You all are aspired to become a good sons and brothers and mothers. You want, that is a desire to have or to do something. Deficiencies means state of not having enough or lack. Deficiency means not available for them. Preparatory means the exercise you done before taking a task. That is what is called as preparatory work. So preparatory meetings. Qualified means achieving the standard to reach the standard ability or knowledge to do a particular job. So every job or every task have a qualification, experience or the education that is required to perform the job. So if you achieve that, you are qualified. Historical, that really happened or lived. History means what you are studying about, which is happened before, right? Deprivation, you don't have things, conditions that are essential for pleasant life. I am deprived by I'm deprived by my journey is deprived with the lot of hardships or lot of lack of power, lack of water. They are all deprived, means they are essential for life. Agitated means worried or angry. Devoted, extremely extremely loving or loyal. Some people say that I am a devotee of X God, Y God. Means you are loving extremely, or I am a devotee of that person. Means you love blindly. You just go beyond him. So it's nothing but partisan. Egalitarian means the principle which believes that everyone is equal. Have equal means they have a everyone is a equal rights. So egalitarian society. So following the principle that everyone should have a equal rights irrespective of the gender, caste, creed or religion or region, irrespective of all that, you need to build the egalitarian society. Means everybody in the society have a equal rights. Pie is a baked dish, usually pastry dough. Pie. Realm means a kingdom. Aiding means helping. Aided school means the school which receives the funds from the government to conduct the classes. And that's aided means you are supported by money or something. Discipline means disciplinary action are initiated against the people who have done wrong, means trying to punish them, to correct them. And discipline is also sometimes called as departments. Telugu discipline, English discipline, right? Exempt means you need not to do so that you are exempted from that, means you are free from doing the something. Yeah, aged people are exempted some percent. Means they are giving exemptions. De-reserve means reserve positions are nullified and converted them into the general. That is what is called as de-reserve. It comes under the affirmative actions or reservation category. Beneficiary, the person or organization which receives the money or help, they are called as beneficiaries. Communities, people who lives in a particular community, particular place, as well as they have some cultural identity. That is what is called as a community or communities. Salutary, causing improvement in a behavior or character. This is a salutary process, means this is a salutary process to improve your personality. Means this process is going to improve your character. Envisaged means you're thinking about that, formation of a mental picture about something to happen before, right? Or forecast. Affirmative action, it gives preference to women, black people or other groups that are often treated unfairly when it is choosing people for job. Especially it is in Western terms, those who are treated badly in the past and they are discriminated. So those people are given an opportunity to represent in the education as well as the employment. That is what is called as a affirmative action. this is the shortest path which has chosen by the most of the countries to reach the equality among the people, from the marginalized to elite people. There are elite people and marginalized people. Elite people don't require any kind of affirmative actions, but marginalized or deprived section require the some kind of affirmative action, so that they can live on par with the allied people. That is what is called as a affirmative action in the US and Europe countries, whereas in case of India, it is called as a reservations. Lacunae means gap, void, space gap. So lacunae in the knowledge is, generally people say that lacunae in the knowledge, lacunae in the investigation, means they have not done properly. Still there is something is missing. Hyper commercialized, excessive use of mercantilism in a media to obtain the success and the profit. So you do more publicity about your product or produce so that you want to get the more benefits. That's what is called hyper commercialized. So this is what is comes under the vocabulary. Now we will move to the next section, is called as loudspeaker, where we will read the article with a loud voice. A severe deficit in the number of OBC, SC, ST candidates recruited as a faculty in central institutes of higher education has been revealed by Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal in Parliament, drawing attention once again to the pallid state of reservation in some of India's allied institutions. Some of this striking data shows 62% unfilled vacancies for SC in the IIMs and 90% for OBC in the IIC, that is Indian Institute of Indian Institute of Science. IIMs means Institute of Management. While vacant positions are average about 38 to 50%, taking central universities, ISERS, IIT, IGNOU, and Sanskrit central universities into account. The data confirm that trend seen earlier in the IIT system extended to many more institutions, highlighting the serious mismatch between the government's equity building goals and actual recruitment outcomes. In the case of IITs, an official committee suggested that way out would be exempt these institutions from reservation as provided under the Central Education Institutions Act 2019, or to de-resolve lower faculty position after a year if a suitable candidates from the beneficiary communities are not found. This cannot obviously be a salutary course for official policy. When the reservation system envisaged as an improvement on Western ideals of affirmative action is widely seen as the shortest path to equality and equity. What could help bridge the gap is better understanding the lacunae in the education system, marked by sea of deprived public schools, colleges, hyper-commercialized private universities, and colleges, and islands of allied institutions such as the IIMs. The failure of the central higher education institutions to recruit faculty to all the reserved position is usually attributed to the absence of enough qualified candidates. As the Education Ministry Committee for IITs did, one of the forward-looking remedial measures suggested by the panel was to start government-sponsored preparatory programs which would both equip aspiring faculty and create a pool of research talent. This has merit in the context of management, science, and other disciplines, and in short term could help qualified individuals to overcome the deficiency of their preparatory years. Such courses would also make these institutions of higher learning more socially responsive, meeting the goal of addressing historical deprivation of communities based on the caste. Yet there are large questions that need to answer and which continue to hesitate in courts. One of them is whether there should not be even greater attention devoted to the most marginalized within the reserved categories such as SC. Since the trickle-down quota benefits for them are scarce, the egalitarian answer would be to continue the expanding of the pie of opportunity in the public realm. Though through ever great funding of quality universal education at the all levels and aiding the deprived through the affirmative action on the road to equality. This is under the reading session. Now we will look into the summary section. The summary is, if before going to the summary, I want to tell you what is the reservation system. Reservation system is very close on par with the affirmative action in the US as well as the other European countries, where affirmative action means those sections, those communities who are marginalized or deprived or oppressed in the past, so they cannot, their resources are limited and they cannot compete with the other people like elite for education and employment. In that case, to represent the, to see the representation of these marginalized people in the education and employment, there are reservation systems are established through which those people can be represented in the system so that they have their own representation. But in spite of the reservation or in spite of reservation in the for SCs almost 75 years, but whereas SCs STs maybe 50 years and BCs around 30 years. So this is a, but in spite of these reservations, but their percentage, the people who are belongs to SC, ST and OBC, their representation in the allied institutions is still at the single digit, means less than the 10% only. So let us look into the IIMs. If you see, there are 15 IIMs which are present in the India right now. You see IIM Nagapur to the IIM Shillong. So you here SC representation, ST representation, OBC representation and general representation. It tells you that, especially in the faculty, Nagapur, there is no single SC or ST or OBC candidate. All of them are belongs to the general category. All of them are belongs to the general. Whereas you take Kolkata, where zeros SC representation 0, ST representation 0, and OBC is just 3%. If you go through the from Nagapur to Shillong, but Shillong is somewhat better here. You see, in the last, maybe it's a new one where SCs are 15% and STs are 4%, OBCs are 12%, and 16% is general. But if you take overall average on the all IIMs, it reflects that 90% of the faculty are belong to the general category. They are nothing but upper caste or OC. Only 10% is belongs to the SC, ST and OBC, whose population in this country is 90%. What is the problem? Where is the problem? The problem is that institutions who are recruiting the people, let us look into the other 42 central universities. SC's vacancy is 39%, STs are 42%, OBCs is 52%. See, IITs 36, non-faculty 36, 47 and 42. ISERs 39, 58, 40. IIC, you see, IIC, it is a 100 years old institute located in the Bangalore, where SCs are percentage is only 20% vacant and STs are 55% vacant, and OBC 90% vacant. So what's happening? This is what is the question. Question is, why are there no people who are fitting to the faculty, or is the problem with the recruitment bodies or with the people who are already recruited, those 90% people? So question here is the answer, IIT independent committee formed, and they say that whenever there is notified, and they say that they could not recruit the faculty from the beneficiary communities because they did not find the suitable candidate with the qualified or with the enough qualifications. That's a reason. Suitable candidates are not found with suitable qualification. Because of these reasons, faculty from the SC or ST position against the SC, ST and OBCs are not recruited in the central universities, IITs, ICERs, IGNOU and most of the allied institutes. So this is what is the situation. Then there is a shortage of the faculty position in the IIMs and IITs, and they formed a committee, especially IITs. The independent committee under the directorship of IIT Delhi, they recommended two things. One is that these premier institutes, remove these premier institute from the reservation, or from the exempt these allied institutes from the reservations, so that all the posts goes to the general category or OC. Second thing is that what they said is, whenever they notified, if they don't find a suitable candidate from the community, that reserved post has to be reserved. This is what is the recommendation from recommendation by the IIT's committee. But this is not going to help, because 90% of the people in the society belongs to SC, ST and OBC. Their representation must be there, because 90% of the money comes from the 90% of the people, and they are taxpayers. So taxpayers has to be represented 90% in the institutes. So instead of that, government has to think, or allied institute has to start the preparatory programs. Preparatory programs will help the faculties, and they get the enough training, and they can get the technical details, and that way they can recruit. But after 75 years of independence also, the government and the government institutes are saying that we are not able to find the suitable candidate against the reserved post, that's a shame on institutes who are not trained properly, people from this section, or they don't have an intention to recruit these positions. So that's why some institutes, institutes have a social responsibility. They have to reflect the society. They are the replicas of the society only. They are not very different. Anybody can do anything on this earth, provided they get the enough training. That's what is the fundamental. No man is inferior to other man in the earth. Everybody have a intelligence. Only thing is that training. So if the allied institutes come up with the preparatory programs to cover up the deficiencies, or to train the faculty from these candidates from these communities, so obviously with the training, and obviously the trend, the vacant position can be filled with the trained, if this do sincerely. If not, this is going to be continued. So government will have to take care of this one, because government policies and are trying to see the equality as well as equity in the every segment. Yeah, here you see 90% of IIM faculty are general category, but 90% Indians are OBC, ST only at 10%. This is looks very ridiculous. This is looks very ridiculous. So if at all you like it, just give thumbs up, and for regular updates, just subscribe. Thank you all. See you again with one more tutorial. Until then, bye bye.